Create rooms in 3D using the Room Creation tool with Magic Room mode enabled. Activate the floor plan environment and select the correct floor. Enable the Room Creation tool, switch on Magic Room mode and enter 3D mode. To navigate the view, hold the right mouse button to pan. Use the left mouse button to orbit and zoom using the mouse wheel. Click on Wall Surfaces to define the room shape. Select the walls in any order. Hold Shift to lock angles to 90 degrees. Use this when selecting smaller or less accessible wall surfaces. Zoom in if needed for more accurate selection. Press Enter to create the room object, and the result snaps automatically to the floor level height. Refine the result in X-ray mode if needed, and then export the room to DXF or IFC.